Hey guys, it's Rebecca and I am meal planning for next week. It is Saturday today and I just need to make lunch boxes for Monday through Friday. So I'm hoping that this video will help you guys. Everything will be filmed real time. All right, it's the first day. So that's his lunch box and I got these containers. Obviously I'm reusing this from Applebee's and I find that these are awesome because they're big enough to fit a lot of food. So we're gonna do my husband's first. His is simple. He has 3 hot dogs left and with his habanero cheese, and I'm gonna try to sneak in vegetables. He hates broccoli, but maybe if I put it with cheddar cheese and he tries it, maybe his heart will change. That's my hope. Little word of advice, sometimes your cheese might have these white spots, and before you just like throw it away and waste the whole cheese, you can actually just cut those pieces off and still use it. So that's really great. All right, husband's lunch is done. That's the broccoli with cheese and salt in there. So if he microwaves it, it'll be all melted and delicious. We got his lunch box. The bread I will put in tomorrow morning, so we don't have to refrigerate that. Ketchup and 2 Chick-fil-A sauces, which is awesome. Now we're gonna start with mine, and we're just gonna have chicken and rice, which is the best lunch. I love cilantro, so I think we have some rice left over, which is why I'm doing this one. But also, I feel like I could just eat this every day. Honestly, frozen food makes life so much easier. And that's what I found. If you cook it too high, it's not juicy. In the morning, I will let this sit on really low heat, do my makeup, and come back. I'm on the go. This is super easy season. Man, whenever you eat chicken, make sure you bring some sort of floss. It just loves to get in your teeth. Okay, this is what I packed. I packed broccoli and then the chicken. And you want to separate them because the rice will soak up the juices in the chicken and make it dry. And then I will put in hot rice in the morning. Good morning. I'm gonna just finish up my lunch. There we go. And then I also take 2 water bottles. This has water and it's perfect because it's sealed. And then this one holds coffee, and this cup is amazing because it stays hot all day. So I can just pour it in my mug and I'll have a fresh cup of hot coffee. So I'm gonna try this. I also got this at Aldi. Okay, we're actually gonna make potato stir fry. I soaked it in water so it doesn't brown, and then just a little bit of carrots, and we don't even like carrots. But I do love peeling carrots. You wanna slice the potatoes and carrots as thin as you can and set it to medium. I always feel like I'm gonna drop this if I use one hand. We're gonna put carrots first because, you know, we want these to be soft. Really, it's just to make it healthier. Whoops, I kind of accidentally fried these. Whoopies, that's not what I meant to do. Adding more potatoes. Some black pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I'm one of those people that say, I'm winging it, but I'm really not. I really spent the last 52 months planning it. Good morning. It's day 2. I'm just reheating these. Tuesday's lunch is packed. And we're out. I'm making Wednesday's lunch. I cut these up yesterday. They are potatoes. So I'm like really tired right now and it's only like 8:45. But I'm gonna just quickly prep the potatoes and make 감자조림. And then we have Korean meat. I'll probably do this in the morning. You wanna get some minced garlic, add your potatoes, Stir until translucent. Another thing, you can add onions to this, but like I said, I'm just too tired. I just want to hurry up and do this so I can sleep. There's a huge chance that my battery's gonna die and all 3 of my batteries are dead. This is sugar. Whee. Oops. Okay, now all this water has to boil off, so that's fun, right? Coffee's brewing. Done. Done. Today is Wednesday, and that's the lunch. I need a real lunchbox. All right, guys. Today my outfit, my hair is messy, actually. Good morning. Today's lunch is very, very simple. We just need rice. The dogs are eating right now. Okay. It's not nutritional, so it's just rice with the seasoning stuff. It's just one of those days, as long as you don't do it every day. But the good thing is, for dinner, we will normally like make up for these type of lunches. All right, and we're off. Hello. Good morning. Guess who didn't get to prepare a lunch yesterday because she fell asleep on the couch and then woke up at 1:30. So this is what I'm packing. I try not to pack frozen meals, but I'm packing a frozen meal sandwich and I will take snacks. One for him, one for me. All right. And I'm off, guys. Bye.